So, okay, I was just about to record this video, and I saw this flock of birds, which I do know what they were. I thought I heard some bird noises coming, so I thought I would check up at the skies, and a whole flock of them, really tall, a really huge amount of them, all came over, just up there. It was really cool. I loved it. Just I really like birds. And then, yeah, I've never seen anything like it. There were wagtails, there were starlings, there were thrushes. I actually got to see the thrushes in particular, because the thrushes were the lowest down for some reason. Yeah, it's a very nice day here, and I say well. Yeah, so, oops. Yeah, this is quite nice. Just a bird. If any of you saw that, I know it probably was quite bad. My hairstyle was bad, and that's it. Yeah. Bye. Should have seen that. Ooh, look. Hope you saw them. Bye.